Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water.
Hello everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. So the market moved just the way we had anticipated yesterday. So I hope you had capitated on the move. Now let's get started. First of all, we are not having any high impact news into the market today. Most likely the price can be into the sideways zone because we have already moved quite vigorously into the market. So let's move to the charts and see what the prices are saying. This is the monthly chart and nothing much has changed into the monthly. We are within this candle's range, and I'm still anticipating that we can come down to tap this BPR of the monthly levels. So let's see how the price reacts. Let's move to the weeklies to see if we are bearish in this current move or not. So as we move into the weeklies, what we can see is that there was one FVG into the price, and the price respected it, and currently we moved into the upside direction. But what is happening here? It is important because the price was mitigating every week, and this week was unmitigated, and the price is currently mitigating this week. So this week is important because if this week is violated by the price, most likely we'll be continuing our journey into the upside direction. So let's move to the dailies to see what do we have in here. As we move into the dailies, what we can see is that we had reacted from this level and moved into the downward side, which we had anticipated in yesterday's analysis too. So currently we are within this candle's range and we are moving upside and we are moving into the upside direction. So let's move to the 4 hours to see what do we have in here. As we move into the 4 hours, what we can see is that this was the unmitigated area from where the price is reacting right now. And we moved into the downward side towards this 4H FVG. And currently, after mitigating the order block, we moved into the further upside direction. So what do we have in here is that we are having this FVG into the price, and if we respect this FVG, most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward direction. Else, nothing will be unmitigated by the price and we will move into the further upside direction. And all of these move will turn into liquidity, and then our main target will be this high. So for today's bias, it is very much important to see if we get a close above this FVG or not. So there can be two scenarios from here on. Let's mark it. That if we respect this FVG, uh, then most likely we are going to continue our journey into the downward side, taking taking this low as one of the liquidities, and we are going to continue further here, and then maybe we can see a reaction to the other side, or there is one more price action move which is still unmitigated, so we can go all the way down to this unmitigated volume imbalance. The price has already left. So this could be one of the scenarios. The other one is that, let's say we don't respect this FVG and move into the upside direction and get a close above this FVG. So from this level, I'll be anticipating that we are going to get a reaction from here. We are going to tap back this level of FVG, which is being disrespected by the market, and we are going to see an upside move into the smaller time frames, and then we will continue our journey further into the higher direction towards this ultimate liquidity point, like this. So this 4 hour is currently our deciding factor for the price to uh, for us to decide that where the price is going to move into the upcoming time. So let's move to the 2 hours to see what do we have in support of our analysis. So this is the 2 hour chart, and what we can see is that even in 2 hour the price is reluctant to get a close above the previous high. That is, you can see, zoom it a bit. The price has not closed above the previous wick. So it is kind of showing a weakness. So I'm going to wait till the 4-hour close. And if we are going to get a close above the 4-hour FVG range, most likely I'll be anticipating that the price can be moving into the upside direction. So let's move to the 1 hours now. As we move into the 1 hours, the price seems to be reluctant over here too, because we are getting close within this candle's range. So still the market has not shown any kind of sign that in which direction it is going to go. Though we have one more thing over here, that is this unmitigated wick. So most likely if in London session we are going to mitigate this wick and move into the downward side, this could be one of the trade ideas which I'll be looking for into the price. And if this doesn't happen and if we get a close above, most likely I'll be waiting for the price to react from one of the AVGs, that is this one, if we get one, because we still have one and a half hour left. So these two FVGs will be significant for me. Unmitigated. For me, for to take the bullish entry only if the price gets a close above this 4H candles, I mean FVG range. This will be the most appropriate FVG for here. So yeah, this is the most appropriate. This is this probable POI. So I'll be anticipating in this range for the price to go into the upside direction. So let's move to the 15 minutes to define our bias. As we move into the 15 minutes, not 50 minutes. As we move into the 15 minutes, what we can see is that we are having this candles range. We are moving upside, and even here the price is reluctant to get a close above. So till now the bias is still not clear, but what we have as a deciding factor is the 4-hour FVG. So I'll be waiting for it. So this was all. I hope I was able to make you understand that what is my today's bias and how I'm going to decide it. So do write me into the comments if you have any doubts or you didn't understand any concept. So this is pretty much it. Keep learning and keep trading.